This over here, you're seeing 7 million likes and 7.5 million total followers of this page called the Law of Attraction. And this over here, you are seeing 1.1 million total likes to this page called Manifesting the Law of Attraction and the Secret, and they have total followers of 1.1 million. Ultimately, I'm going to show you how to get the free traffic like this: 8,000 likes, 900 comments and 2000 plus sharing for this one single post. I'm going to show you how to use Facebook page for affiliate marketing so that you can build your own audience base like this. And if you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. I would like to invite you to watch few of my videos. If this is providing you value, make sure you're subscribing my channel and put that bell notification on so that you can get my video always first. As well as, guys, smash the like button of this video, right? Like this video right away, right now, because this is a free traffic stuff, guys. This is for affiliate marketer beginners. Even if you are into the game, getting the free traffic like this is not a bad idea. I'm going to show you this in this video. So smash that like button. This over here is a page called the Law of Attraction. And guys, here you can see they have 7 million likes on their content as well as 7 million followers for this page. And I just want to show you a free traffic. If you love free traffic, guys, just type yes in the comment. Look at this. They got 100 likes to the content which they posted and 33 share. That means, guys, 33 free traffic. And here you can see this. 3 hours back they have posted this content, guys. And let me show you one of the amazing. 6 hours back they posted this content, right? It's just a very simple post, guys. I'm going to show you how to create all these things. Okay, they got almost close to 10,000 likes, guys, in this, 3,000 shares and 977 comments in this, guys. Let me show you another niche. Okay, this is called Keto for Beginners, and if you can see, they also have a base of audience base of 300,000, okay, as well as like followers of 300,000 over here. Okay, and you can see they created this page in 2017. So my question to you is, guys, are you building your audience? Are you building the base of your audience? Okay, if you're a beginner, guys, you can have tons of free traffic like this. Look at this. They posted this post in April 25, and look at this. They got like 485 likes. Okay, 110 share and 375 comments, all free. So here you can see this, guys. This is one of my page, okay, called Woodwork All. Okay, this I made to promote a offer called Woodworking, Ted's Woodworking of ClickBank. This is the page which I use to drive tons of traffic. Look at the likes I got, right? Look at the sharing I got. Okay, so what I did, right, I built my email list with this page. Okay, so this is GetResponse, where I build where you can collect the email, as well as you can run the automation, as well as you can create a landing page also. The link of this software is given in the description. Okay, I already have a tutorial on this, right, software, how to use this. And here you can see this 923 right email has collected free traffic source with this simple page, guys, right, which is easy to create. Okay, and if you see this content, this is not my content. Okay, this is just I remodel or use other people's content. Okay, so just very, very simple. It's a free traffic, free email list building, as well as free selling affiliate product or ClickBank product. So my question is, are you building your audience base? If you want to make $100 with Facebook page, guys, this is the video you have to watch till the end. So smash that like button. I'm going to show you this in 4 steps you have to do to make $100 with Facebook page. Just 4 easy free steps. So guys, the number 1 step is to create a page like this. And to create a page, click here, create, and select in the page. Okay, and if you select this, right, it will show you how to create it. So I'm not getting into how to create a page, which is very easy, right? Here you can select, right, get started, name your page, and rather name the category, and you can continue from there. Okay, I will recommend you to niche down whatever the niche you are. Do not get into like law of attraction kind of a niche. Niche down like law of abundance, law of vibration, right? And then you can create like this kinds of branding to your page. Okay, it's very important. This is one of my page here, and this is very important. This is the first step. And the second very valuable step is, guys, to creating a content like this. Okay, your own content. Do not just repost other people's content in the beginning. Okay, that you can do in the later. Okay, so this is very easy to create all these kinds of content with Canva. Okay, Canva is a free platform where you can create all the social media, right? Instagram post, Facebook post, and all those. Okay, just type here, you can see Facebook post. Okay, brand your content, right? Put some logo and all, and you can also use their content. Look at this, they posted 7 hours back, just simple words related to law of attraction, got 10,000 right likes to this. You can just copy this and you can post in your own logo. And from a long time, actually, I was not using this page. Okay, that's why this have a little bit less traffic. Okay, in April 29 was the last right proper post. Here you can see this got a lot of comments here, likes here. Okay, and here you can see this all are completely free, guys. And to get this thing in a Facebook ad, you have to pay the money, but growing with Facebook page is just very easy. Okay, all this content, and you can also get the content idea, guys, all this content from Instagram. Okay, you can repost it from Instagram, because a lot of people don't know that Canva also have a video. Click here, you will see a lot of different videos. Okay, and if you select like here Facebook video, so here you can see this, they are giving a lot of free videos. Okay, for example this one. Okay, if you click here, look at this, this is are very easy to write any fonts. Okay, you have a lot of different fonts here. Also you can change the background. Okay, all these are very easy to do. Okay, you have like animation, you can use the animation of text animation how you want to see. Okay, all this can be done from here. Okay, like this, you can change the background with different photos here, right? For example, right, if you don't want this, just remove this, and okay, and you can put this images here. Okay, just very easy. And look at this. Okay, this is running, this is amazing. You can create for your own branding. That will I will recommend you right now in the internet. It's very important that you're creating your own content. Okay, and also you can put the music. They also have a free music as well as paid music. You can connect with this. So all this thing you can introduce as a content. You'll get a lot of idea from Instagram also. So that was the content part. Okay, now how you're gonna get the free traffic in the beginning. Okay, you don't need to run Facebook ad or anything. So now this is the number 3 step, to join the different groups. Okay, not the pages. You can't join the page, you just like the pages. Okay, so type like law of attraction, keto diet, whatever the niche you have. Okay, and just you can see all those are groups. Okay, select in the groups here, you will see all the different groups here. Open all of this group and see which group have a lot of engagement. For example, guys, look at this group. Okay, this is one of the group, and 1 hour back, guys, somebody has posted, and just simple, right? The money is coming, say yes to money. Okay, so they have also given a bit.ly link, definitely some offer. Okay, here, and here you can see they got like 84 likes in this. Okay, 69 comments. Okay, so this is an amazing group. So how you can join the group? Now this is the place you have to pay attention, guys. Smash the like button if you like this video. You have to join these groups, all of this group, from your page only. This is very, very important, from your page only, right? For example, if you try to join any group, for example like this one, if you click here, they're asking you which page or which profile you want to use to join. So I'm going to select like this one, right? Manifestation Valley. Okay, and once if you join this group, guys, you have the access of group, right, to share this content. Okay, do not sell anything, guys. Do not sell anything. Once if you join the group, right, just make sure to click here, share in a group. Okay, so once if you select this, right, you can select that group, whatever the group it is. Okay, for example, the Secret Law of Attraction, it's a private group, and they will not going to ban you, guys, because they just want you should become a contributor. Okay, so you can share from here. Okay, they will approve you. All these private groups are good to join, because there you're going to get a lot of good engagement. That's what you have to do. Okay, this is really important, joining from your page itself. Okay, and then sharing your post to those groups. Okay, in which you want to post. Okay, this will something look like this, guys. Let me show you this one. Look at this guy who posted, right, shared a post. Okay, almost like 21 hours back, and he got like 73 like. You know, when this happened, people want to see who is this guy, and they will go to, okay, this person's page. And this is how, guys, you're gonna grow your this Facebook page. Okay, this is how I grow. It's a free traffic, guys, and you have to grow only 1,000 followers, guys, and then the people will start promoting or sharing your posts itself. Okay, they will share your post, the same thing like how they are sharing. Look at this, right? 3,000 share, guys. The audience of this page is started sharing this awesome post, and you're getting free traffic. And that's how, guys, they build huge audience. And at the end, the 4th step is to select the product. So you can go to the ClickBank marketplace. Okay, I already have tons of video how to select the product. So here, this is one of the product which is doing very well for me, like Scare Sound Healing System. Okay, you can get down to their affiliate page and you can select this. Like they have a lot of, right, almost gift here, right? Look at this, gift 1, gift 2, and you can collect the email offering them, or else you can directly sell the product also. All work for me whenever I tried, right? I got a sales from Facebook page direct. Okay, so in the top you can make a pinpoint. Okay, look at this. So I just want to show you here. That's why I made this post. Okay, not for any selling purpose, because I have very less audience, so I'll not target to sell anything right now. So but here you can see you can make a pin post here, and this is the same product. Okay, if they click here, so look at the landing page which I created. Here I'm offering them the gift. Okay, a lot of gifts which is offered by the product, and also telling them to right, get down to watch this video. I use the same strategy with Instagram. I'm going to make a video on that very soon. So hope you like this, right, strategy, guys. If you like, it's a free traffic, easy, any affiliate marketing beginners can do this. If you like it, guys, smash that like button. If any doubt you have in this strategy, let me know in the comment, and do not forget to subscribe, guys, and also watch these 2 videos. Both are based on free traffic promoting a ClickBank products.